Is this the best 10-year-old for 2025? Welcome to the Whiskey Lover Society with me, Gert Retief, and you heard me correct. I've spent, the last 2-3 days I've been tasting this whiskey, and to my opinion, it is one of the best 10-year-old whiskies that I have had in quite a long time. And what am I talking about? Wolfburn 10-year-old, 46% ABV, natural color, non-chill filtered, ex-Oloroso sherry hogshead, so about 250 liters in a barrel. So quite looking forward to giving you my opinion on something. Well, you've seen from the thumbnail, takes you from the gloomy rainy day into the sunshine at the beach, having a whale of a time. This is the type of whiskey that I love to drink. This is the type of whiskey that made me excited. This is the type of whiskey that put a smile on my face. Now, just a little bit on the history of the Wolfburn distillery. It is actually a very old distillery. Was there many years ago. When we look at if you do a little bit of research, the first time it started operating was 1821, and of course with all, like most distilleries, they don't last very long. Some of them come and go, and it was resurrected in 2011, and almost at the same place where it was founded the first time, and in 2013 they started operating again. So it's the most northern distillery in Scotland. So yeah, quite excited to giving this a nosing and tasting. Now they do make quite a lot of batch releases. They also have core releases, the Northland, they have the Morven, they have the Lang Skip, I'm not sure if I pronounced them correctly, and then they have this Wolfburn 10-year-old natural color non-chill filtered. Now I did pour it a while ago, and you can see 10 years old. It is a very light whiskey, light golden color. Now a little bit of a viscosity, a little golden color, with that little bit of a stickiness, a little bit of a oiliness, and I'm quite looking forward, to give you my opinion on this one. And as if you see from the thumbnail, I was quite happy with trying this one. But on the nose, cheers. It is absolutely fantastic. It's 46% ABV. You don't get a lot of punchiness from that alcohol. That 10 years has treated the whiskey well. It's lemony, it's fruity, it's a little sherbety, a little custard, vanilla notes. It's sweet, my word, it is a sweet whiskey. Now, I would not have guessed that it is sherry cask if you look at the color. And that nose, it doesn't really suggest a sherry cask, but it's sweet, is almost like one of those dessert wines that you get. It reminds me of the ice wine that you get, that intense raisiny note that you get with that alcohol at the back. My word, it is lovely. And definitely from the nose, if that goes into the taste, nudge, wink, wink, it's going to be a fantastic one. Love the nose. On the taste, cheers. If anybody would ever ask me, what is your definition of a friendly whiskey? This is it. Wolfburn 10-year-old. It's friendly. It's sweet. It's oily, it's viscous, it brings out that lovely fruity components, that dried raisins. You get that big raisin flavors, a white raisin, that sweet wine component. It is absolutely a fantastic whiskey. if I think about all my other 10-year-old, I don't think anyone gets close to this one for me. Even the Arran 10-year-old, a fantastic whiskey, hands down this Wolfburn is beating it, in my opinion. And if you have tried both of them, let me know in a comment if you agree with me. It's okay if you don't agree with me. But for me, this is, well, the epitome of a lovely, light, friendly, sweet whiskey that will make anybody happy to try it. Even people that have never tasted whiskey, in my opinion, if they give this one a nosing and tasting, they will definitely love it, and they will definitely tell people this is the best whiskey that they've tried in a long time. One more sip. Cheers. That oiliness, that sweetness, it just covers the whole mouth. I would have thought a little bit of an oak coming through. I do presume it is ex-European oak. I would expect a little bit more bitter notes to come in. There was a hint of that bitterness, just a little bit, just to tone down that sweetness for me. It is a lovely whiskey. It's a whiskey, it's a summer whiskey, and I think even in the winter time, 46% ABV, there's a little bit of a warmth coming through. Definitely not going to add water to this one. I think when they decided to bottle it at 46% ABV, that was the best one for them, the best strength for them, and I think they were right. Oh my word, the nose is just fantastic. So let me know in the comment, what do you think? Have you tried the Wolfburn 10-year-old? Is this the best 10-year-old that you have tried? Or is there something better that I have not tried yet? As of now, for 10-year-old, for 2025, try the Wolfburn and you're not going to be disappointed. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I see you next time. Cheers.